Top 7 money-earning apps without investment, globally. Here is a list of 7 such apps that can help you earn some extra cash. 1. Swagbucks. This app allows you to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. You can redeem your earnings for cash or gift cards. 2. Ibotta. This app lets you earn cash back on your grocery purchases. Scan your receipt or link your loyalty account to start earning. 3. Folkfolk. If you have a knack for photography, you can sell your photos through the Folkfolk app. This app is very easy to use. The user must upload pictures and set prices. 4. TaskRabbit. This app connects you with people in your area who need help with various tasks, such as cleaning, moving, or handyperson services. You can set your rates and schedule. 5. eBay. You can use the eBay app to sell anything, from clothes and accessories to electronics and furniture. You can list your items for free and set your prices. 6. Etsy. If you're creative, you can sell your handmade or vintage items through the Etsy app. You'll need to pay a small listing fee and a percentage of your sale, but the app is free. 7. Airbnb. If you have a spare room or apartment, you can rent it out through Airbnb. The app handles all the bookings and payments, so you must set your availability and rates.